So I spent the day creating this. Actually, I spent 2 days. A really long time. This is embarrassing because it's very beige. Very beige. What's the chaotic mind of an artist that I'm truly embarrassed to show you, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. I hope you enjoy the process, and I hope at the end of the day, if nothing else, it will validate how you feel and give you permission to kind of just create. Do whatever you want. It's okay. Yeah, I did. So you can too.
So I honestly don't know where to begin on how to edit this. So I think the easiest thing to do is like in a time lapse sort of format, because the beginning of what you're about to see has absolutely nothing, zero correlation to the end product and the end result, because the initial intent of this piece was not where I ended up at all whatsoever. So, but it's entertaining just to see kind of, you know, how I get from point A to point B and all the craziness in between. So we'll do that, and I will come back in and interject throughout the entire process just to kind of explain some of the crazy. Thanks for joining me.
God, like, you know, there's other people that probably do abstract art and they're like, oh, this looks so easy. You know, I'm like the Swedish chef, worship more. I'm doing. I just said the F than one scraper canvas with a catalyst wedge. Apparently many. I honestly cannot believe what I'm actually doing here. This is absolutely ridiculous. In fact, you know, just to give you a little bit of a preface, so this painting is supposed to be one that I'm supposed to be doing for a Viva Magenta collaboration that I'm in a couple of weeks. So I thought, oh, I'll get a jump on it. I got this weekend. I'll do some Viva Magenta-y, and I have beige. There's no Viva Magenta in here anywhere. Not that I had started the Viva Magenta, but I thought I'd do like a pink base and then kind of, you know, work my way up to the magenta and give it all kinds of depth and richness. And yeah, that's not what's happening. No, apparently not even close to what's happening. And like, what are your thoughts about kind of like, because I got so much bloody paint on here, if I just kind of like pretend it's like texture? I mean, I've seen people use gesso as texture. I don't know. Let's just kind of give it a shot, shall we? I wanted to put in like some flowers. I like flowers. I don't know, like what could I use? Like I could use like the tip of a, you know, what is this called? I'm losing my mind. Paintbrush, and I could like, I don't know. What else do I have around here? Let's have a look. You know what I could use? What if I just use like a mixing stick? Just kind of randomly run it through the canvas. What do you think that's gonna look like? I've got nothing to lose, right? To this point, I'm like, you know, what if I just took, I got this transparent collage paper. It's like by a guy named Tim Holtz. I don't know, I bought it. I thought it was kind of interesting, right? It's transparent. And I thought, well, what if I use this, tear it up and like stick it on? Like, do you think that'll be okay? Oh, and then don't mind the hair and makeup. It's kind of, you know, yeah, this is how I typically paint. Yeah, that's why I don't usually am on camera throughout this entire thing. be as honest as this, to go, you know what, it was a shit show. It sucked. I tried to make and salvage a piece, and at the end of the day, boop, it's not so bad. Yeah. So, as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. That's it for now.